Hello, my friends. I thought I would read you a story, and I'm wondering if you want to go for a drive. Gerald and Piggie want to go for a drive. This book is called Let's Go for a Drive. And it's a really funny story. There's lots of cars in the front. You can see lots of different kinds of cars and trucks, some that are convertibles, a semi-truck, a pickup truck, a bus, and a race car. What number's on that race car? 5. That's right. Let's go for a drive. Piggie, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive. That sounds fun. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. They're doing a little dance. Excited. Wait, says Gerald. If we are going on a drive, we need a plan. A plan? First, we need a map. I have a map. Get that map. Off Piggie goes to find it. You cannot go for a drive without a map. I have the map. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Map, map, mappy, map, map. Wait! It might be sunny while we drive. What might they need if it's going to be sunny while they drive? Sunglasses. That's what I was thinking too. We need sunglasses. I have sunglasses. Get those sunglasses. Bringing sunglasses on a drive is smart planning. I have the sunglasses. Piggie looks cool with those sunglasses on. Do you have sunglasses? I do too. Drive, 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 drive. Sunglasses, sunglasses, sunny sunglasses. Ooh, Gerald looks cool too. Wait! It might rain while we drive. What might they need if it's gonna rain? An umbrella. We need umbrellas. I have umbrellas. Get those umbrellas. Drive, 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 drive. Umbrellas, umbrellas, umbrellas. Wait, we have so much stuff to pack. What can they pack it in? We need bags. I have bags. Get those bags. You cannot go wrong with a good plan. Oof, I have the bags. Oh, they look very heavy for Piggie. Drive, drive, drivey, drive, drive. Bags, bags, baggy bag, bags. Wait! There will be a lot of driving on our drive. What's Gerald thinking? We need a car. That would help if you're going to drive. I said, we need a car. Do you have a car, Piggie? No, I am a pig. A pig with a car would be silly. Do you have a car? I do not have a car. Oh no! We have everything we need for our drive. Except a car. Our plans are ruined. What are we gonna do now? We could play pirate, Piggie suggests. Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal? Arr! And they are using everything to make their pretend pirate ship. I see the map. I see the umbrellas, the bags, and they're wearing the sunglasses as eye patches for their pirate adventure. That was a good idea. The end. What a fun story. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.